In this video, we're unboxing the Trol-A-Matic, which we've got right here. And what this is designed to do is slow your boat down so that you can troll at a lower speed. You can put this on outboards or outdrives. So my boat, even at idle, typically runs at about 3.5 to 4 miles an hour, which is just too fast for trolling. I can put this on and then I can get down as low as like 1.5 or 1 miles an hour. And then I can just increase the throttle from there to troll at the speed that I need to go at. For what I do is typically about 2.5 miles an hour. It just attaches with 4 bolts to your outdrive or outboard on the lower unit, and then once you speed up, it just got spring tension in there, and basically you speed up, there's enough thrust and it will raise this, so it doesn't really hurt you when you're cruising too much. It just slows you down at the lower end. So let's unbox this and see what's inside, see what this looks like. I'm putting this on a 134 or 135 horsepower outdrive inboard engine, and used these before. They've worked good, so that is why I am getting it again for this boat that just trolls too fast. So pull this out here and see what we've got. So we've got the plate itself, which is right here. You've got these springs on there, and that is what holds it down. And then this is like a really heavy duty kind of plastic plate right there. So it just mounts with those 4 holes. And then what else do we have in the box here? We've got some instructions, tells you what to do, gives you some information on that, and then it comes with the mounting hardware right here. So all you got to do is drill 4 holes into your the flanges basically of your lower unit right here, and they're just 1/4 inch holes, so they're not going to affect anything really in the long term. And that area where you're drilling into, that's all just a cast piece anyway, so it's just solid metal. You're not like going into the oil reservoir or anything like that. But really been impressed with this, so that's why I got another one for a different boat, and it works well for me. So hope you enjoyed this. Trol-A-Matic, if you're trying to get down to a lower trolling speed, definitely works well. And what's nice is that if you want to remove this, I typically only troll at the end of the season, in August, September, October. And so if you want to not have it on there for the summertime, if you're like tubing or something like that, you can just take it off with these 4 bolts, which is really nice. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.